So let us try to solve this integral problem. Now let us put 2x plus 1 as 1 by t here. Okay, so this dx will be minus 1 by t square dt, right? Now here x will be 1 minus t by 2, so x you get as 1 minus t by 2. Now let us consider x square plus 5x plus 3. Okay, so let us substitute x as 1 minus t by 2 whole square, okay, plus 5 1 minus t by 2 plus 3, right? Now after simplifying this you get as 3t square plus 8t plus 1 by 4t square. Okay. Fine. Now let us solve further. This will be integral minus 1 by 2t square into dt, right, by 1 by t square root of this is 3t square plus 8t plus 1 divided by 4t square. Okay, now this will be minus integral. After simplifying it you get as dt by square root of 3t square plus 8t plus 1, right? So we have 3t square plus 8t plus 1 is equal to 3, that is t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus 1 by 3 minus 16 by 9. Okay, so we get this as 3 t minus plus 4 by 3 whole square minus root 13 by 3 whole square. Okay, so therefore we get I as minus 1 by root 3 integral, this is dt by square root of t plus 4 by 3 whole square minus this is root 13 by 3 whole square. Okay, so further this will be minus 1 by root 3 log of t plus 4 by 3 plus square root of t plus 4 by 3 whole square minus root 13 by 3 whole square, okay, plus c. Okay, so where t as 1 by 2x. Okay, so after substituting t as 1 by 2x plus 1, So we get as minus 1 by root 3 log 1 by 2x plus 1, okay, plus 4 by 3, yeah, and plus square root of this is 1 by 2x plus 1 plus 4 by 3 whole square, okay, minus root 13 by 3 whole square plus c. Right. So this is the solution. Let's move on to the next problem now. Now this is integral dx by square root of e to the power of 2x minus 1. Okay, so let us solve this. Now this is integral dx by e to the power of 2x, okay, 1 minus e to the power of minus 2x, right? Okay, so which is equal to e to the power of x minus x, okay, divided by square root of this is square root of 1 minus e to the power of minus x whole square, okay, and dx. Fine. So which is equal to let us take e to the power of minus x as some variable t, okay. So we get dt as e to the power of minus x dx here. Now I is equal to integral minus dt, okay. So this is minus, right, minus dt divided by square root of 1 minus t square. So this is equal to minus sine inverse t, okay, which is equal to minus sine inverse e to the power of minus x plus c, okay. So that is the solution. Let us move on to the next one. Now let us see this integral 2x square plus 5x plus 15. This divides by x plus 2 and x square plus 9 dx. Okay, so let us solve this. Now by using partial fractions, okay, so let us consider this 2x square plus 5x plus 15 divided by x plus 2 x square plus 9, which is equal to a by x plus 2 plus bx plus c divided by x square plus 9. Okay, now let us take this as 2 square plus 5x plus 15 is equal to a multiplied into x square plus 9 plus bx plus c x plus 2. So when you put x as minus 2, you get a value as 1. Okay, so and we get one more equation, a plus b, okay, which is equal to 2. This implies b is equal to 1, and we get one more equation, 9a plus 2c is equal to 15. This implies c is equal to 3. So we got a, b and c here. Let us substitute that. So now I is integral 1 by, since a is 1, so it is 1 by x plus 2. Okay, dx plus integral x plus 3 by b is 1 and c is 3, x square plus 9. Okay, so this is dx, right? So this is log of x plus 2 plus this is half log x square plus 9, okay, plus now this is tan inverse x by 3 plus c. Okay. So this is the solution. Okay, so let us move on to the next problem. Integral dx by x power 4 plus 1 plus 7 x square. Okay, so I is integral, let us put as 1 by x square, and so that I'll get x square here, and this is 7, and this is 1 by x square. I have divided by x square here. Okay, now multiply and divide by 2. So I'll put this as 2 here, right? And so 1 by 2 integral, this would be 1 plus 1 by x square minus 1 by x square, okay, dx divided by, this is x square plus 1 by x square plus 7. Okay. Yeah, further, now this is huge, this is 1 by 2 integral 1 plus 1 by x square dx divided by x minus 1 by x whole square plus 9, okay, minus 1 by 2 integral 1 minus 1 by x square dx divided by x plus 1 by x whole square plus 5. Okay, now further, this is 1 by 2, this is multiplied into 3 in the denominator, tan inverse x minus 1 by x by 3, okay, minus 1 by 2 root 5 tan inverse x plus 1 by x by root 5, okay, and this is plus c. So this is the solution. Okay, so we'll see one more problem. Now this is integral sine inverse x by x dx. Now let us consider as x as sine theta, and dx is cos theta d theta, and I would be, so sine inverse x will be theta, and dx as cos theta d theta divided by x, which is sine theta. Now I got this as integral theta cosecant theta, which is 1 by sine, and this is now since this x square, so sine square, so cosec theta, and this is cot theta d theta, right? Now this is equal to integral theta d of minus cosecant theta. Okay. Now further solving this, so this is equal to minus theta cosecant theta plus integral cosecant theta d theta, which is equal to minus theta cosecant theta plus log of cosecant theta minus cot theta plus c. Okay, fine. Minus sine inverse x by x plus log of 1 by x minus root x squared minus 1 plus c. So this is the solution.